Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a really good day in paper and trading today. Today is September 8th, 2021, and it marks my second day paper trading in the simulator. Doing my 90-day challenge on trading in the simulator before going live on the real account. My start date to start trading on the real account is February 1st, 2022. From today till then, it's approximately 102 days, but I'll be taking vacation from now and then. So, on average, it'll be 90 days that I'll actually be trading on the simulator. It came out in the scanner this morning, and so looking at the daily chart, we had a period of consolidation the past 6 days. We were consolidating after this huge move from $3 all the way to about $10. And yesterday we we tested the 9 and then got bought back up with an increase in volume. And today we were gapped up a little in well, a lot actually in pre-market. So I never really trade this kind of stocks, but today it seemed like a really nice opportunity to do so. So the only level I was watching, it was pre-market high to the upside. There was no short. I didn't have no shares for short in that, so I was only looking at watching it for the to go long. But if there was no opportunity, then of course I wasn't gonna force it. So at the open, it so at the open, we hold up, what is it? So at the open, we dipped down and then came back, got bought back up from VWAP, and we, you know, crossed the pre-market high, and that's when I went in and took profit to the top as it went up all the way to 12. So let me play the recording real quick. So here I was watching Tesla at the open, but there was no opportunity, so I couldn't take that trade. So that's when I went in as soon as it broke pre-market high with a 5 cent stop loss below pre-market high. It ripped as soon as I went in, so took profits along the way. So took half of my position out right there. Then I took another half out when it broke above 12. Then when it tested 12.20, I took more out. And then as it broke below 12, I took the rest out. I don't really trade this kind of stock, so I didn't want to be stuck in this trade and have it come back against me, and then I'll be in the red. So the reason I took 1,100 shares was because DAS calculated the share size for me, putting $100 risk on the trade. So that was that's actually pretty neat from DAS, and I ended up making $445 on the trade. I was pretty happy with this. So the less trades I take in the market, the less risk I take. So I wasn't gonna force to take another trade, and I wasn't gonna do so. Uh, so that was it for the day actually. I think I did pretty good today. So for $145, it's not bad. But I think that I, I get when you're in a trade, you forget about everything else, and that's what takes practice to watch everything else besides the charts. So I need to pay more attention to the level two, once I go into trade, to see, where I need to sell, to see if like it's gonna keep going up or it's gonna drop, where the buyers and sellers are. And of course, just keep an eye on the time and sells to see if it's, that the orders are really going through or not. One thing that I really need to work on is looking at volume at the breaks. Like here, I was going back to the recording and taking a look, and as soon as it broke, volume came in. But I didn't pay attention to it. I just went in as soon as it broke. So I need to pay more attention on those three things, you know, whenever I take this kind of trade, especially in this low flow stocks. So, but overall, I think I'm doing good. As days go by, I get better and better, and hopefully, when the time comes to go live, I'll be okay, and we'll be able to follow my rules and follow my plan. Because in trading, we all know that that's what keeps some traders alive. If not, then you wreck yourself and you can lose a lot of money in the market. So, you know, hopefully. we can get there. So, all right, well, that was it for my recap. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.